What's up, fool? My name is Percy Mascotti. Most people call me Zosh, but the homies, they call me Dumb. And I'm here to pledge allegiance to the bag. Today's video should be a good one. Man, I'm about to be back in an Evo. This time it's not vintage, it's somebody else's. I wrote on my, well, I didn't write, I had mentioned in one of these past videos, I was like, yo man, if anyone has a car they want me to review, add some more content to the channel. Some dude's in town, he has a white Evo, and that's what we about to do, playboy. We about to review that, John. Should be a fun, interesting time, to say the least. All right, so here we have 03 Evo 8 GSR. What package is it again?
SSL package.
SSL package. See, I didn't even know that. I'm a fan of Evos, but this comes with the sunroof. And what else comes with on the SSL package?
It's the sound, sunroof, and leather, I believe. But this got the Recaro seats.
Yeah, the Recaros. Yeah, bro. And there's no wing on it. It's wingless, but it looks good. Got the carbon fiber deck lid on it. Team Falcon. Y'all know the vibes. Oh yeah, man. Damn. It's clean too. Up north car. Crazy. 20-hour drive. Damn. Yeah. Daily. Suspension all solid and everything?
Yeah, I got ISC coilovers. The damping is tuned a little bit harder just because of our roads.
Yeah, the roads.
But the ride was smooth. The Recaro was comfy. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, bro. Recaro's like the best seats. Yeah. Gotta be Recaros, bro. Comfortable. They're good. Yes, sir.
I fuck with you ever since the hood cooking video.
Yeah, the classic.
I know you love Evos.
Yes, sir.
Let me let you drive it. Let me test it.
Yeah, bro, man. The last one I drove was the homie Vince's back in 2017. That was about 3 years ago.
You drove it twice, right?
Yeah, I drove it. Yep. It was. Yeah, I drove it twice. Damn. Yeah. So I think the first time I drove was 2017 or something like that. That was 3 years ago. Now, fast forward 3 years later, we got another one. And this one's completely stock, just have an exhaust, bolt-ons, and makes from 350, right?
Yeah,
350 on E85. Yeah, fuel upgrade. So yeah, we're gonna take this thing out for today. Probably do a POV review, so add something different to the channel instead of just a regular review. Do like a little POV style. It should be solid.
Go and try your luck. Test me in again, we let it rain. Please don't start us up. Got that black and white, that yin and yang. Mr. Officer, please don't search us, we don't got a thing. Tell her park it up, then that ass be poking out them jeans. I've been sparking up, like the fireworks, I keep the flame. Heard you barking up, this the wrong tree, I got the strings. Yeah, I'm charging up, they can't keep up, got them looking drained. Now they walking up, trying to put the face to the name.
First start in the Evo, got clutch in, right? I'm sure.
Just give a little bit of gas, hold it a little, hold that like 3,000. It's actually pretty long, it's pretty light too.
Yeah, it feels solid. For what it is, it feels pretty good. God, bro. Shit, I need an Evo.
Bro, you need one, bro.
Oh, man. Good on gas? All right,
yeah,
okay, cool.
That tank drops very quick.
Oh, bro, when are you telling?
It's a small tank.
Bro. God, that blow about sounds good. Bro, it's like when you go past the turbo, this shit just wanna wake up.
Because it's a small ass turbo, bro. It spools up quick.
Bro, it's like it wants to go. Like,
yeah, once you feel with the clutch, like you gotta like really let go of the gas all the way. Because the turbo still like spools up even though you let go of the gas.
Yeah.
You gotta give it a little second. Because it's gonna lock you out, you're gonna notice RPMs rise up. I had to learn that little.
Okay.
It's weird.
Evo shit.
Yeah. There are little nicks and knacks like that. You just
damn, bro. I haven't sat in the Evo in so long. Cause I was debating, I was like, man, do I really want to buy an Evo or do I want to like buy something that's gonna be like reliable off the fact? Like you got lucky. This is a stock Evo. So and you got it for 15,000? Bro, lucky cause it's stock. So, you'll find a built Evo head or whatever the case may be for like 15, 16, but you don't want nobody's project car. Yeah. This right here, bro, solid. And a lot of people talk shit about the interiors of them, but you don't buy an Evo for interior. No. You don't do that. You buy an Evo for exactly what you're buying it for.
The interior is clean too.
And it's not bad, yeah.
I might want changed the pillar, the pod setup, just because like I can't really see my
yeah. Where would you want to put it though? Oh, on
there,
yeah.
Maybe like
H pod
set it right under here.
Oh, that's clean right there. That's super clean.
Yeah. Flutter too, yeah.
Yeah, I like that shit. That shit sounds so.
It's tired though.
Yeah, that don't look good. That's something about to go wrong with that. Hey, homeboy, check your tires, pimp. God, bro, on the Evo, dog. I was really debating. I'm like, man, do I really want to spend the money on an Evo when I could buy like a CTR or something? Because like I've been in more CTRs than I have Evos. Yeah. So it's like, damn, do I want a CTR to be new? You know what I mean? Everything is new in it. But then it's like you get in this, it's like, man, perfect street car daily. You know what I mean?
Yeah. And the CTR is a monster. It basically is like all-wheel drive. It's new, like you said.
Yeah.
It's iconic. You know, it's a Civic Type R.
Yeah.
But the Evo, bro.
It's something about it, bro. It's something about this car that just really like, damn, man.
It's a different beast. But like when I brought it back from the tuner, like I was like, yo, bro. Like I was geeked, smile on my face the whole time, bro. Because when I bought the car, I had all those breakup issues, so I was never really able to drive it like that.
Yeah.
You know? So like finally, after 3 weeks of buying the car, I finally got it tuned, everything dialed in. So I finally was able to like really full throttle it, bro. This car is different, bro. It's different beast. Taking on the turns too. It's different in the drive.
Yeah, I would honestly track an Evo. Yeah. I would do it. I would full send track this thing.
Like I want some open road.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Usually, this is the street I always like send this bitch on. I always send her on Green River, but it's like
this one goes to Jensen, right?
Yeah, this goes all the way to Jensen.
Okay. I want to fix that little thing, bro. I hate how but like if you like take, because it's rev lines at like 81.
That's what you be revving it to?
Yeah.
Damn.
That's when it bounces. It go pop pop.
Oh shit. Okay. All right. I didn't know the rev lines. I didn't want to like send your shit, dog.
Yeah, you can do it all.
Damn.
I bought a car as an investment, bro. You know, like I want to make videos with it.
Yeah. Oh, it's a good investment. You definitely, bro. I'm saying, like, for me, that'd be the, like, if I were to, like, let's say I got, like, I invested money in this car, I'd make my money back. I know I would, bro. The Evo content I could produce and, like, man, I'd be milking this shit, dog.
It's definitely a good investment. And, like, the Evo crowd is up there, you know? Like,
yeah, it's a big community. It's a good community, man. And not a lot of people, like, make Evo content. You only got, like, I only know 5 YouTubers that make Evo content. Not even 5, maybe, like, 3.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
And
so
I want to know why too. Like, do it break all the time? Like, why? Like, you know, like you see, it's at 155,000 miles.
Yeah.
Like I said, I drove it down here from New York to Florida, 20 hours. The car is solid.
Solid.
No problems, nothing. Down here, sending it the whole way. You know, like the car's solid, bro. Got some good open room. Just because the weather, like,
yeah,
in the winter up there, bro, she sounds good.
This feels good though, man. This feels good.
But why buy a car to like try and like baby? You feel me? Like
facts, bro.
I like enjoying my cars.
Facts,
bro. I buy
bro.
this car to enjoy it, to have fun in it. If things break, I'll buy new parts. I fix it. You know, I do my own mechanic work. You know, like I buy parts, I fix it, and like. I'm not saying I'm a well-known mechanic or I know everything, but I learned as I go.
Yeah, exactly. That's how I started, yeah.
My RSX, the first thing I did was my timing chain. That's the first thing I did to my RSX, bro. That's not something you want to do first.
Facts. How many miles was on it?
250,000.
Oh, that thing definitely needed a timing chain.
Still kicking though, bro. After, still kicking, still running strong. Motor still. After that, I'm like, yo, this is easy. So I just started doing more things. You know, I bought this. You know, I started to learn how to wrench on this. And like you said, when you first open the hood, it's not that hard to wrench on.
Yeah, it's really not at all. Like I looked out, I'm like, wow, it is like an all-wheel drive Civic. The motor's right there, the transmission on that side. It's like, wow, it's like, damn, it's right there.
Basically. Only thing different is, you know, you got the all-wheel drive, the
transfer case. Yep, that's it.
You know, I changed all that, new fluids, all that right when I got the car.
Smart. You did smart, boy.
New oil, topped off. see it.
Yeah, just to see it. Damn.
Oh man.
Oh man, this thing is this right here is damn. I want one. Restored my faith in buying an Evo.
Bro, gotta get one, bro. Get one, bro. And like I said, I bought this on all credit. You know, a lot of people feel good. Oh, buying cash and cars out. Nah, bro. Like I bought this to build credit. Like
it's smart, yeah.
So you know, I put $5,000 down. Got $10,000 loan from the bank, luckily, and I'm doing this like step by step. My next car I want to get is a 350Z Nismo.
Oh shit, you want a Nismo?
Yeah. I'm gonna go shit for the Nismo. I'm gonna get that one on credit too. I just want to level.
That's smart. Cause a lot of people be like the thing with credit that people always like they talk shit about. Oh, if you can't afford it, well, but like. Yeah. You don't understand. This is a capitalist state, bro.
Exactly.
Like not state, but country. You need credit.
Yeah.
And if you want to buy a car where you could build that credit, do it. Like I don't want to, bro. People just tripping, dog. People, I don't understand.
It's ignorance. It's
it is. It's ignorance, man.
And like they think cashing out is better. Like no, like why buy something that's really going to depreciate in value? One thing about this though, like I said, I bought it as an investment because. The
These really don't decrease in value at all.
The Carfax already is $20,000 on this car. I bought it for 15. So like the good few miles, like I said, I want to keep it close to OEM as possible.
Yeah.
Not do too much. Like I said, do some tint, rain guards, the little roof spoilers that people be doing, the roof ends.
Yeah. The Voltex diffusers.
Yeah. And like I see this car appreciating over time.
Yeah, it's not, bro. I don't think Evos will ever depreciate in value, bro.
Evo 8s go for 20 to 25 easy. Evo 9s go for 30,000.
Easy.
Like.
And these cars came out, they debuted in what, 2003?
Yeah, 2003, first year.
Wow, dog. Damn, that first kit was something else.
I'm telling you, bro. The launch is even different.
Man, shit.
I don't want to have you launch it.
Hell no, I ain't launching this shit. You crazy. I don't even trust myself. That. Oh, shit. Your clutch is definitely slipping, bro. God damn, that slipping. See that? No. That's it for me driving this hard. No.
Yeah, hot. So it is.
Ooh, damn, you gotta replace the clutch on this thing, but it shouldn't be that hard, right?
Nah. But the thing is, you gotta drop the
you gotta drop all that shit, right? Yeah.
That's a little. That to get to it is hard once you do it.
Yeah, man. I need an Evo. Definitely my dream car for sure, man. This is definitely my dream car. I want a Voltex Evo kit on my shit, dog.
I like that kit too, but like I said, I want to keep this in friendly stock. It's my investment, so.
Yeah, it's clean, bro. It's clean. Like for what, as it is right now, clean.
Appreciate it.
Hell yeah, man.
I let my son drive. You know, I'm in the town. I knew he was in the town too. I was like, man, let me just let him drive it.
Yeah, I very appreciate that. It's good content, man, for sure. I definitely appreciate this, dog. This is, man, solid, boy.
But now, follow me on IG, Right Hand Drive Guap.
There you go, on the screen right now. If y'all want to see more Evo content, he's also building Right Hand Drive EG.
EG6, yeah, with
yes, sir.
K-swap.
With a K-swap in that, John.
Yeah.
Make sure y'all follow him. All the links and information you need to know on the screen. And yeah, bro, he finna give it an Evo. That's what he just said it. Y'all ain't hear him though, so you know what I'm saying? Channeling. It's so good, man. It's so damn good. So good, bro. So good, man. I need a damn Evo. That's right, bro. I'm finna sell the RSX and the Integra. Somebody cash me out of Evo right now, bro. Damn.
Evo lights.
Solid, bro. I know he ain't want no smoke, bro. What a joy driving this Evo was, man. And it's so clean even without the spoiler, man. What you guys think? You guys like Evos with or without the spoilers? I'm a fan of them with spoilers. This is solid, boy. Sounds good as hell, too. She's good, man. It was restored my faith. I was like, man, I don't want an Evo no more, man. Like, I'd rather just buy this, blah, blah. And they just look so good, bro. Stock. This is stock. Just suspension. That's it. Looks so good, man.